Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to iOS update after you can see also your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. Most of iPhone and iPad users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and iPad. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. In this video, I give you some solutions for this issue on your iPhone and iPad fixing. Now the first one solution is most important. The solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. Now question is what to do now. First of all, open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, last option is shutdown option. So guys, please make sure tap on it. In the shutdown options, you can see also slide to power off on your iPhone and iPad. After wait for the 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily this error fix on your App Store and iTunes. Now second one solution is most important. The solution is reset iCloud iPhone password on your iPhone and iPad. Now question is what to do now. First of all, open the settings app. Now tap on the name at the top corner. Now tap on the password and security. Now first option is change password. Now please make sure tap on it. Now you can see also enter your again correct password of the iPhone. When the verify your password is completed, now you can see also first new enter password. Now second re-enter the password. Then again tap on the change. You can easily change password of the iCloud in iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you third solutions for the issue. The third one solution is delete app and reinstall apps. Now please make sure find out the applications and press and hold. Now last option is remove the applications. Now again tap on the home buttons and now again open the App Store and now top corner search bar and search that applications and reinstall applications from the App Store. Thank you so much. Now fourth one solution is most important. The solution is wait one day. If you entered the wrong Apple ID password too many times, just wait and try again the next day on your iPhone and iPad. These all the solutions apply on your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily fix this error message on your App Store and iTunes. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Thank you so much.